So let me tell you a little bit about the history of switchwords. Switchwords are words with special superpowers. You affect your subconscious mind by verbal repetition. Switchwords were first recognized by the well-known founder of psychoanalysis, Sigmund Freud. Sigmund Freud was born in today's Czech Republic. Switchwords provide a powerful technique for unlocking the manifesting power of your subconscious mind. They are the bridge between our conscious and subconscious mind. Switchwords are scientifically proven to work. Our subconscious mind manages majority of our actions and behaviors. If you don't like your current life and the situations you are experiencing, if you don't like your reality, you have to reprogram your subconscious mind, and that's when switchwords come in very handy. Okay, and let's continue about the history of switchwords. After Sigmund Freud, Mr. James Mangan was the author of self-help books, and he did more research on the switchwords. In his book The Secret of Perfect Living, Mangan created a psychological system of meditations and mantras. Mangan encouraged to engage your subconscious mind and obtain specific mental state by focusing your attention on mantra-like one-word affirmations called switchwords. For example, focusing on giggle would be useful to get in the mood for writing. He explained that when you use certain words with intention, you can get what you want. He spent 45 years of researching and finding the right words for us. And now I have this powerful exercise for you. It's called gratefulness exercise. It sounds super easy, but works wonders. And I recommend that you write down everything you are grateful for and do it now. At least write down 10 things you are grateful for, and I would recommend that every day you add more and more to it. I will tell you from my own experience, every morning I write down everything I am grateful for, do my meditations and visualization techniques. I explain to you more how I do it, but for you, for now, do this gratefulness exercise. So write down everything you are grateful for, and write down as many things you can think of. And like I said, write down at least 10 things, and do it now, please. And remember that you have the power within your reach to create what you desire. Everyone has a spark of magic creation inside of them. Repeating switchwords will bypass your conscious mind and will turn on switches in your subconscious mind, telling it exactly what you would like it to do for you. Switchwords are words that work like magic and will bring you what you do want easily, quickly, and effectively without any hard work. Let go of your wishes and dreams in order to receive them. Let go and drop the importance of your dreams, wishes, and desires. Remember, what you focus on grows. Where is your attention all day long? What have you been thinking about? Is it more positive or is it more negative? You can say to yourself this affirmation: I do focus and think about only on what I want. Miracles are waiting for you. All you have to do is go and meet them. You have to submit to the universe and let go of your desires and dreams. Accept the attitude that it will be great if it happens, and it will be even better if not. Through this, you can get everything you want in your life. The subconscious mind is your link to the rest of the universe and all of God's power. Your subconscious is very powerful because it runs your body, for instance, but doesn't know what to do with all that power. You have to direct your subconscious mind with your focus and intention towards things and reality you would like to have. Therefore, you have to be clear on what you want and focus on it with a strong belief that it is possible to manifest for you. Learn to be positive and look at every situation and experience in your life as an advantage, and the situation will turn out positive. Everything in this world is potentially yours. Don't limit yourself to your own means. Don't ask or demand. Have intention. Come and take. So what I was talking about now was basically reality creation principles. They might seem simple, but applying them will really create miracles in your life. It's about dropping the importance on your dreams, because once you let go of the importance, you will open the door for those things to come into your life. If you put too much importance on the things you want, including the people you would like to attract into your life, or the importance on your job, you will create excess potential that will cause eventually more and more problems for yourself. So to avoid those problems and to open the door for the reality of your dreams, you have to drop the importance of it and accept the attitude that it will be okay if it happens, and it will be even better if not. Do you know why? Because if something doesn't happen for you, that means that the universe has something far better for you. Okay? And now let me talk to you about what are switchwords. Switchwords are often called English mantras because you have to repeat them in order to get results. Switchwords are very powerful words that connect you directly to your subconscious mind, giving it the essence of the specific switchword so it can work on your specific desire. The more a switchword is repeated, the more it affects your energy. And the more it affects your energy, the more you draw the things, reality and experiences the specific switchwords represent.